Welcome to the Green Winch YouTube channel. On this review we're going to be looking at this. This is a Morphy Richards easyCHARGE wireless, cordless, however you want to pronounce it, iron. I never knew that they even made or invented a wireless, cordless iron. But they have, and Morphy Richards were kind enough to send me one out to try and to test and to keep, because I'm going to keep it. Morphy, Mr. Morphy, you ain't getting this back. This is mine now. You've sent it to me. It's come to my post. I'm keeping it. But I will be having a little test of it. This is the Morphy Richards easyCHARGE 360 cordless iron. And it's right here. I will put links below. This is around about £50 on Amazon. I will put the Amazon link below. If you like what you see, have a look at the link. Let's see what we get inside the box on this iron. So here we go, looking at what we got inside the box. This is the Morphy Richards easyCHARGE cordless iron. This is just the box if you want to see that. Here's the functions and that it does, if you want to read them yourself. But let's open it. This is to see what is in this box. Little instruction, quick start guide obviously there. And inside you're going to get instruction manual. So there's your charging base. It's a bit like a kettle. So if you put your kettle on, your kettle charging stands, it's a very similar one to them. And it's got a light round the side. And this is the iron itself. So this is how you put the water in the iron. You open it there, you've got a massive hole to put your water in, and it does say it holds 350 ml of water. And what you do, just get your jug. That was about 300 ml, but this does hold 350. It does say here that they recommend you use distilled water. That is down to you, depending on whether you're on hard or soft water areas. It's up to you what you use on that. So here's the function wheel. You can have silk, nylon, wool, cotton, linen, and then it on max. It's got a clicking noise. This is your quick clean, self-cleaning button. You've got your steam button here. And you've got, that's a steam boost. That's the steam boost, sorry. That's the steam boost button. You have the water function, so it will spray the water out. We're going to see this. It's going to come out of here. Spraying water out of that nozzle there. We have the automatic steam, so it's a continuous steam. You put it on that and you're going to get continuous steam. There's your water nozzle. That is pretty much it with the functions of this iron. There's your plate on the bottom. It's got a bit of weight to it, I will say, but it's not heavy, but it does have a bit of a weight to it. Look at this, I'm reviewing an iron. We review anything on this channel, from vaping stuff to kettles, and today we have an iron. That's the base it comes with. It's like a kettle base. You know, you put your kettles on. It's like one of those. And basically what you do, you put it on there. It apparently takes 20 to 25 seconds, which seems too quick to me. I ain't timed it, but it apparently takes 20 to 25 seconds to warm up the plate, the element, whatever that bit's called. And then you take it off. You iron a garment or whatever you want. You iron something. Then you put it back on. So every time you iron an item, you put it back on, and then it takes another 20 or so seconds, warms it back up, and away you go again. So you iron a sock, you put it back on, you iron a sock, you put it back on. Just like that. That's apparently how it's meant to work in principle. What I will notice, first of all, because you know me by now on this channel, I'm as honest as I can. Like, I do get these products for nothing, but I review them honestly. When I've been taking this off and putting it down, I notice you have to find it a bit. I suppose like putting your kettle on, you have to find it. It's not sometimes like that you can almost miss. This light comes on this plate, which is good because you know it's plugged in. There's a blue light going around like that. Then you put the kettle on. You put the iron on like that. I'll hold it because the camera's not low enough. I will hold it and you'll see the light will change colour. It's warming up already. Can you hear it? There's a red light come on there. It's warming up. Seems relatively quick. I don't know about 25 seconds quick, but it's pretty damn quick. There's still a light on there. I can hear noise coming out of it. Light still on here. That's gone green. We have a green light already there, and I can feel the heat coming off it. There is a lot of heat. This is a 2400 watt iron. So I think that might be done. And I can feel the heat. There's a lot of heat coming out of that. It's on. So a few other features I've just picked up in the manual in case you are interested. It's got vertical steam, so you can steam irons, you can like hang shirts up and that and steam items like that. It's got anti-drip system, like I told you, anti-scale system, auto shut off after 8 minutes. So if it's not done anything after 8 minutes, it's switching itself off, which is good because if you go on holiday and leave the iron on, you ain't got to worry about this one because after 8 minutes, that's switching itself off. Well, nice plate there, isn't it? So there we go, that's your iron there. We will test it out. We'll iron an item. Oof! Look at that. That's a powerful steam. So I'm ironing a shirt here. Shirt's one of the hardest things to iron. It does seem like it's gliding along it really nice, and it really warms up quick. I've used this a little while and I've ironed a few items. As you can see, there's no lights on. When it's not on the base, there's no lights on. You get the base, put it on there. This goes red. Look how quick that's back reheated. That is back reheated. When that one's green, you're ready to go. So that took what, that won't even, so that means that's not cool enough. So let's leave it off a bit. I'll finish off this sleeve. This is how I iron. 2 at a time. Jaw welding irons. And then you put it back on the base when you're going to fold this one and get your next one out. And the time you go back to it, it's going to be ready to go. Morphy. Brilliant idea. And at the moment, it seems to be working. It seems to be working brilliant. I really can't fault it. How can I fault it? Look at the base. It's even got an LED base. Is it LED? What's them lights called that everyone has around their TV and that nowadays? Have you seen that nowadays? Everyone has these lights round the back of their telly, round the back of their studio, everywhere. You've got them in here. Them little lights, LED, OD. Them little lights, I'm sure it's LED, but the lights. So you've got them on that. Iron away. I'm going to put this shirt on that I've ironed. It was a shirt, look. Look how nice that is. Look at that. Look at that line down there. Look, you see that line? Brilliant bit of ironing there. Well, I'm going to put this shirt on and then we're going to wrap this video up. There we go. Look at that. You ain't seen anything better iron than this in your life. If you want to see me review food sort of related products, so anything from a chocolate bar to a bag of crisps to little short comedy videos, subscribe to the second channel. That link's below. We review a lot of food items. I eat a lot of food. Take care.